Welcome back. And here we've got Larry Stone from Stone CPA. Larry, how are you this morning? How was your weekend? I know it's tough getting out onto a Monday.
Oh, my weekend was great. I spent some time in San Diego.
Oh yeah? What were you doing in San Diego?
Well, I was there last week teaching tax professionals how to reduce taxes and save their clients more money. Some of the things we talked about was we just talked about last week here was the qualified business zones.
Oh yeah? It seems like you spend a lot of time teaching people tax rules and regulations. What do you have coming up next?
Well, we have this new program that we're trying out. It's called Ask Larry Anything, and it's a webinar that is going to be on Thursday, November 1st.
Okay, well that's really exciting. That's coming up right after Halloween. You can get your tax questions ready. So can you give us a little more detail about what kind of questions you all can answer at that?
So it's actually was designed to just address any questions you want to bring up. But what I was concerned about was that people wouldn't have a lot of questions. They just want to hear some, valuable information. So we're focusing a small discussion on the home office expense.
Okay, well that's really interesting. I know a lot of people work from home and some people have a home office. So who really qualifies for a home office deduction?
Well, with the new changes in the tax laws, really you have to have your own business or you have to be a landlord, have a real estate residential rental property.
Okay, so and with that then, what type of expenses could you deduct?
Well, you're allowed to take your business use percentage of all your operating expenses for your personal residence. That would be things like mortgage interest, property taxes, utilities, and of course that ever-growing homeowners association dues.
Oh yeah, you're telling me about those HOAs. Those will get you. That's really amazing. I would like to be able to run one of those deductions. But would that increase your chances of being audited at all?
No, not at all. In fact, as long as you have a qualified business purpose, the IRS has issued what they call the safe harbor. And so they'll actually grant you, without any documentation necessary to provide it, up to $5 a square foot for a total of 300 square feet of home office space when you declare that on your 1040 tax return.
Okay, well that's nice to hear that at least the declared space is not larger than my whole apartment.
I know.
Like that small. So what would you not be allowed to use with this deduction? What's something that wouldn't qualify?
Well, so one of the things that wouldn't qualify is employees will no longer be able to deduct this. Under the old tax rules, an employee could deduct what was known as unreimbursed employee expenses. And unreimbursed employee expenses would include the home office expense deduction if it was done for the convenience of their employer and their employer acknowledged it.
Okay. Well, that's what I'm saying. I think a lot of people in Summit County, at least a lot of people that I know, have a home office. So this would definitely apply to them. So when and where again can they get more information on this during your Ask Larry?
So on Thursday, November 1st, starting at 10 a.m., we're going to have Ask Larry Anything.
Okay.
And it's a webinar, so if you just call our office, 970-668-0772, Miranda or Whitney will be glad to send you the information on how to connect.
Right. And if that doesn't apply to you, you guys do have another event coming up that's more family oriented. I believe the American Dream Boot Camp.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite event. It's going to be fantastic. The American Dream Boot Camp is November 15th and 16th. That's a Thursday and Friday, and it's going to be at Copper Mountain, which is incredible, right? And the 16th is actually opening day for Copper Mountain, so that just should be a great time for all of us.
Yeah, it's really beautiful out there right now. You guys are going to get a lot of great information. Can you give everyone a little brief of kind of how the American Dream Boot Camp came to be and what it is?
Well, it's an amazing program because one of the things we've learned over time is that when you're truly focused on your true purpose for life or for the American dream, then you tend to be more successful and you tend to reach those goals. And so it's really designed to help families focus their true purpose increase the communication between the family and actually create a family experience around whatever their American dream may be, whether it's providing education for their kids, making sure they have plenty of
Right.
retirement funds,
Yeah.
anything like that.
Right. Well, that's really exciting. You've got some cool events coming up to get everyone ready for financial planning and tax planning season, which has already begun. So if you can just give folks at home your website one more time, and we'll let you get on, because I know you're a busy guy.
Yeah, our website's coloradotaxcoach.com.
All right, or swing by and see them in Frisco as well. Larry, thanks so much for coming on today. We'll be seeing you, if not on the show, over at American Dream Boot Camp soon.
Okay, thanks.
All right, everyone. After this, we still have more exciting special guests coming on, so get ready for your Monday. We'll be right back after this.